I would just like to go on record and say that the Miu Miu packaging is by far the bougiest packaging I've ever received when it comes to sunglasses. We start out with the box, which is pretty standard. And if we look in the inside of the box, it literally looks like wallpaper you would find in the Palace of Versailles. You receive a hard case, but not just any hard case. This guy is completely covered in the most plush velvet-like material out there. It's even on the inside of the case as well. But wait, there's more. You also receive this pouch to store your glasses in, literally made out of the same plush material as the case. With your sunglasses, you do get a note from the manufacturer, as well as a microfiber cloth to clean your lenses with. At first glance, these really look like your standard round pair of sunglasses, but the closer you look, there are these really cool subtle details. The nose piece is very interesting architecturally, so it's hard to see in the video, but when the light hits the acetate portion of the frame, it's actually a dark blue color, which is really interesting. You get a non-polarized dark gray lens with these guys. Next, let's go over some of the measurements. The lens width measures out to 49 millimeters, the nose bridge is 23 millimeters, and the temples measure out to 140 millimeters long. And this is what the glasses look like on.